Hey, no intro, because I am the intro. We can't waste time. Let's get into the video. So this wig is by TELLBEEN. It's a 4x4 bob. Yeah, 4x4 closure inch bob, and it's closure inch. It's a 12-inch bob. And I didn't want the box to rip. So we're just gonna put this little sticker there and fix it. Quick fix. Okay, we opening the box. Gotta make sure the tape stay on. So the first thing you see is the 12-inch bob, of course. Then we're gonna get into the gifts. They gave me a wig cap, some earrings. I think they swans or ducks. Swan, I think that's a swan. Some tattoos. Some more tattoos. Those are actually pretty. And they left a cute little note. Put it right there. And some more tattoos. I don't know what that is. Now onto the wig, best part of the video, and what y'all really came to see. What y'all really came to see. Got the hair net off. The lunch lady net off. So here is the bob. It's straight, it's 12 inches. 360. 4x4 closure on the inside. You got the 2 combs on the side, the 1 comb on the bottom, and the adjustable straps. So the wig is actually very full. Like, if you run your hands through it, it's very full. I was checking to see how close together they sewed the tracks on because of how full it was. And the hair is also very soft. So soft. And then I was parting it to check like if the scalp was thick. You know how on some wigs they just put too much hair in the scalp? With this one, it was pretty good. That's why I had to spread it apart. And after this clip, I was supposed to be showing y'all how I pluck it, because as you can see, it needed to be plucked, but the phone stopped recording and I didn't even know. This is me about to put makeup on the knots because I don't bleach my wigs. I just feel like if you don't bleach the wigs, it'll last longer. And this is the color I use and the brand I use because it works for me. These ear tabs, those are irritating. I'm wondering, if I cut them off, would the whole wig fall apart? I need somebody to tell me, because those ear tabs are irritating and they hurt. So this is me about to cut the lace, but I started to realize I should cut it off my head because it's just easier for me. And then this is the next day because I didn't realize the phone had started recording after I started cutting the lace. But yeah, this is the hairline. I could have plucked it a little bit more so it could look better, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. And this is the back of the wig. You really don't have to cut the wig because it's already cut even for you. I just wish I would have cut it a little bit higher off my shoulders because I like my bobs above my shoulders. But this one is still nice. It's already cut for you. You just gotta do a little plucking And boom, you done.
What's your name, POB, so they calling you Bob? Stop playing, or you do know that I'm known for the Bob.